Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com, and it is Friday, the 19th of November. This is our weekly recap. Link in the description below if you want to join us in our community on Discord, on private Twitter, and Zoom. Great group of traders. We follow flow, we follow volume, we follow news, technicals, and you're going to learn a lot and make money while you go along. Join us here. Click on live trading alerts, smartoptiontrading.com, and you can get a trial for $25 for the first 30 days. Okay, that said, let's talk about the week that was. And the week that was a really good week if you were in the right names, and a very choppy week if you were watching the indexes. The S&P 500 here going sideways, not doing a whole heck of a lot this week. And here it is. It just put a new all-time high in today. Very briefly, popped up, pulled back, and we're kind of going sideways. If you notice down here, breadth is negative. This is 2 days in a row we've had very bad breadth. That means there's very few names that are holding the market up. Okay, it's a divergence. QQQs, another all-time high today, stronger. Qs have been stronger all week, and they've been leading the charge here. IWM, unfortunately, has pulled back and lost the breakout of the 34 area, and that's not a good sign. We really wanted this to lead, not participating. Oil's cooled off. The energy sector has very much cooled off now, losing the 50-day, rolling over here. The banks have been completely out of play this week as well. And you have some divergences setting up here with very little leadership in this market. The VIX has tried to pop today. It went up briefly out of the Bollinger Band and yanked back in, saying it's not overly worried. And that's the good news, right? The VIX is not saying it's worried about much. So what was in play this week? What were some things that were good? Well, on Monday, we made a lot of money on Boeing. And the one thing I've been saying to everybody in my room, the members, is that, you trade this thing, you don't sit in it. You would think after a gap up and a move like this on Boeing that it would get some follow through. Next day, down, upgrade the following day, and today just destroyed. This has become a very, very difficult company to trade. And I only trade it intraday and on news, and I do not hold it at this point because of how it's trading, because it has gotten so difficult to trade. PayPal, we tried to trade this week into that gap, and it just didn't work. Lost a little bit on this, but it pushed into the gap briefly, couldn't finish it, and yanked back. More bad news there. Tesla had some good trades in it this week as well. You can see here it came off the lows, it held a nice candle, and now here it is late today, breaking back out to the upside, even though Musk continues to sell stocks. ON gave some trades on some nice earnings. Roblex gave a bunch of trades on it this week, RBLX. All right, so names they want have been very strong after the report. Huge move there. TTD, another one that's been very strong. AMD went bonkers this week, new all-time highs. Some great trades on that one. NVIDIA also all-time highs. That had a great move. Oh, guys, help me out. How about Apple? Apple, beautiful break of this downtrend 3 days ago. Day 1, day 2, day 3 were all-time highs. Beautiful move on that one as well. Today, Micron was in fire off of 2 catalyst upgrades here onto this, a new range high here. This is a long-term high here. So you can go back and see we haven't touched these levels since back in August. Nice push there. Very, very strong move on that one. No, what else, guys? Microsoft continues to make new all-time highs. Strong on that name. Amazon gave trades this week. Beautiful day yesterday, today not as pretty. And then there's the things they don't want. Names like PayPal continue to get pounded. New range low. Square, this whole sector, right? UPST has gone quiet. Affirm. So it's a very mixed market right now. There's a handful of names they want, and anything else they seem to want nothing to do with it. So we'll keep an eye on this. Next week we have the Thanksgiving holiday in the US. That means it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are full days. Thursday, the markets are closed, and Friday is a half-a-day session. Typically, it is a bullish week, especially Wednesday and Friday. Monday and Tuesday could be a little choppy. We'll see how this trades out. Charts on Sunday. Link if you guys want to join us and give us a try in the description below. And I hope everybody has a great week and a great weekend. Catch you guys later.